Hello everyone, welcome to MathPrax. In this video, we have another practice problem, in which our understanding of how the formula for the general term in an arithmetic progression works will be put to test. I will show the method which will potentially be used by someone who just started learning the topic, and the method which will most probably be used by someone who is comfortable working with arithmetic progressions. Here goes the problem. The third term of an arithmetic progression is twice the eighth term. The 20th term is negative 35. Find the arithmetic progression. I will be honest with you, when I started creating these tutorial videos, it had been a long time since I last solved these kinds of problems. I didn't encounter such problems, and in other topics in mathematics as well, as I have been busy with my full-time job as a hardware engineer. But I have always loved it, and I was teaching math as well for a while, around 15 years ago. Having said that, as I was planning on how to deliver my solution to this problem, I didn't right away come up with the method that someone comfortable with the topic most probably will use. So I started with the following. I wrote the equation of the third term. A sub 3 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of 3 minus 1 multiplied by d. For the eighth term, a sub 8 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of 8 minus 1 multiplied by d. For the 20th term, negative 35 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of 20 minus 1 multiplied by d. There are even 4 unknowns in these three equations. But since the third term is twice the eighth term, we can replace a sub 3 with 2 times a sub 8. Now we can see that we have built a system of 3 equations and 3 unknowns. There are different approaches to solve this, and that is the thing. If you are in an exam, your enemy is always the allotted time. So you want to be as quick as possible in getting your answers to the problems. So after writing these equations, I did not want to go into the details of solving this system of equations with 3 unknowns. However, for those who are motivated, I am leaving you to it. I approached the problem in a smart way, so here is what I did. Take the third term as the reference term and write the equation for the eighth term. A sub 8 equals a sub 3 plus the quantity of 8 minus 3 multiplied by d. Again, given that the third term is twice the eighth term, I use that information directly in here. Simplifying this equation, we get a sub 8 equals negative 5d. Next, the 20th term is negative 35, so we can write its equation. Since we have a sub 8 here, we can use the eighth term as the reference, so the equation will be negative 35 equals a sub 8, which is equal to negative 5d from the equation here, plus the quantity of 20 minus 8 multiplied by d. Simplifying the equation gives negative 35 equals 7d. And we can solve for the common difference, which is equal to negative 5. You might say, it still is a system of equations, but this path is for sure shorter. From here on, we can build the arithmetic progression from the first to the 20th term. Knowing one term and which term it is, and the common difference, we can simply progressively apply the common difference again and again until we complete the sequence. We know that the 20th term is negative 35. We can subtract negative 5 from it repeatedly until we get to the first term. I hope you liked the shortcut approach. Here is a follow-up question. Which term is twice the 23rd term? The answer is 33rd. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.